Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to get started with some bread at home? If you are, then you will want to go with the San Francisco sourdough starter. The kit comes with everything that you need, including really helpful instructions for someone like me who literally had no idea what I was doing. Inside of this little packet, it comes with a starter and clear instructions on how to get going with your sourdough starter. The instructions were really easy to follow. I found them really helpful, just knowing that all I had to do was feed my sourdough starter every day. Now that a couple of weeks have gone by and I've continued to feed my starter in my jar, I have everything that I need to be able to add it to recipes and have my very own breads, rolls, cookies. Basically, any recipe that requires a sourdough starter, it is now easily stored in my jar. You have the option to store it on your countertop or right in your refrigerator, depending on how often you're going to be using it. But I really like that the instructions in this kit were so clear and easy to follow. Now I am really ready to get started with my bread making, and that's my point of view.